As you can see, the fan is running smoothly, and we're pulling a solid 12.5 volts right here. And here is the kicker. Most people think you need an engineering degree or a massive budget to generate your own power, but this simple setup proves them wrong. I was tired of watching my hard-earned money vanish into the pockets of big utility companies every month, so I decided to take matters into my own hands and build something that actually works. What you're seeing is a perfected die generator that uses a combination of magnetic induction and recycled motor components to create a consistent, reliable stream of electricity for pennies on the dollar. This isn't some experimental theory, it's a practical, scalable solution that can power your tools, your lights, or even act as a complete off-grid backup when the main power fails. The best part is that you don't need a warehouse full of high-tech gear to make this happen. I built this using mostly scrap parts and basic tools you probably already have in your garage. If you're ready to stop being a slave to the rising costs of the electric grid and want to claim your energy independence once and for all, you need to see how this is done. I've put together a comprehensive step-by-step guide that walks you through every single connection and component so you can replicate these results yourself. Click the link in my bio right now to grab the blueprints and start building your own power source today.